your girl got to get rid of a lot of stuff. So
life advice, just when you're, every year you just need to purge.
I love that. No, you really do every year. Just get rid of like all the old stuff. Previously on Decluttering My Home, in the last episode, we decluttered my bathroom, and child, it was a mess. It wasn't too bad, but it was bad enough. But I'm so glad that's over. Now we're gonna tackle the closet, and let's just say I'm not looking forward to this. All right, homegirls, it is week 2 of decluttering this house before the new year because we gotta get it done. Y'all, the way I've been dreading this, I honestly should have been done this video, but I have been dreading this closet, and it's really not that bad. Like, as you can see, the before shots, it's not like in shambles or anything like that. It's not like a dramatic before. It doesn't seem that bad, okay? But there are a lot of things in this closet that I do not wear that have broken zippers, or it's just not wearable anymore, or I just need to get rid of it. Like, I've been holding on to it since high school, like 2013, 12, you know. It's some things I need to get rid of. So I'm gonna be going through that today, and my sister is gonna be helping me. Look, I kind of like tricked her. I was like, you wanna come help me film a YouTube video? I didn't tell her what YouTube video I was filming, and this is the video.
Now I'm here.
And now you're here. So she's gonna be helping me and kind of go through. I feel like I need a new wardrobe, you know what I mean? So that's why I gotta get rid of some of these clothes, because I'm trying to be cool. Okay.
We'll see.
Look, kids will humble you. Anyway, let's go through all of the clothing, the shoes, everything. I'm not only gonna be going through the clothes in my closet, but also like in my drawers as well too. Like, whew, now that is a whole nother story. That needed a little bit more love. I probably won't get through that today, but we're gonna get through these clothes and shoes today, okay? With my little assistant. So let's get into it. There's a lot of things in here that just definitely need to go. For instance, okay, this dress. I'm never gonna wear this, but
It's a dress?
Yeah, it's a dress. I mean, it's a little scandalous, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, this dress I wore for my 21st birthday. I probably will never wear this again. But you know how like there are things like in your closet that are like sentimental? Like, I feel like this is one of them.
We'll toss it. Let's toss. Toss
it?
I thought we were throwing away clothes.
What if I want to keep it? Okay, I won't wear it again. But what if I could just like frame? Okay, we should have a maybe pal. Like, almost kind of like it may make the cut. You know what I mean? No? No?
You gotta make your decision. Stand on it.
Stand on business? Okay, so with the closet clean out, there's 3 piles essentially. There's trash, donation, and then there's I'm keeping. We're gonna kind of go through that. I will say, this little dress that's really sentimental to me, I want to keep it. I do, but it kind of like, maybe we need to have like a little 4th pile that's like a maybe, but have a limit on the items that we keep in the maybe pile. Let me know down below what y'all think about a maybe pal. But I'm thinking that dress is definitely in the maybe pal right now. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna go through all of this. Like I said, it shouldn't take me that long, but we're gonna go through all this really quick and just see what we are gonna keep and get rid of. Kendall and I just finished going through all of the clothes in the closet. It wasn't too bad. She definitely gave me a reality check on some of the items. I'm glad that she was here because I'm not gonna lie, I wanted to hoard some of those things. So now we're about to go through all of the shoes really quick and just kind of figure out what I'm gonna keep and what I am going to give away or throw away. These I already, look. Bruh, these are not even like real Birkenstocks. They're like they're like Birkenstocks. Yeah. They're like the off-brand Birkenstocks. Like they're done. Look at that.
So it's going in the trash pile.
It's going in the trash. I think the biggest thing with like cleaning out the closet is just being for real about the items that you have in your closet. I feel like I have definitely like an emotional attachment to some of these items more than I realize, which is kind of funny. It's not like hee funny, but it's just like, oh, I didn't realize I have like such an emotional attachment to a thing for a reason. And I think sometimes the reason is like, it could be how you grew up, or you know, maybe it could be just kind of like a sentimental value thing. Like maybe that shoe like really signified an important moment in your life, or just kind of like a person or whatever like that. I just don't believe that people hoard because they genuinely want to. Like, hoarding to me has like a reasoning behind it, and I feel like you see it more with clothing more than anything, just kind of like holding on to just like a lot of items. So I'm really trying to practice like being okay with releasing things and knowing that like it served its time for like the moment that it was here. So meanwhile, Dante came to check on the progress. Dante's side of the closet is more
immaculate.
It is. He really prides himself on his side of the closet. But yeah, he's my inspo, but you know, I'm a lady, okay? Like I have a lot more things. I am gonna go through these shoes with Kendall, and we're gonna get through this so we can be done with this closet for today. Okay, these are gonna be thrown away. I know that for sure, because I have definitely ran these to the ground, especially these little Old Navy flip-flops. You're trying to play me. If you know, you know.
I didn't say anything.
Look, back in the day, let me tell you a little story, Kendall. Back in the day, these are like $1. Okay, so this was like the thing. Like,
so you buy like 8?
Yeah, you buy like a bunch of pair, and you had different colors too. Old Navy, baby.
Trash.
Trash. Y'all see how I'm holding on? I'm holding on.
Find the other one.
I'm holding on. I'm being a little hoarder here, but it's okay. Well, these can be donated though. The brown ones can be donated too. I probably should get rid of these, huh? Like,
man, give me them.
But what if I get glued?
No, it ain't it.
You lived a good life. You served your time. We had some fun times together. You gotta go. Ah! Kendall!
Get it together. Get in gear.
Okay. This is the mood. Okay, shout out to Kendall because she got all the piles of clothing together for me. So we have the donate, we have the trash, and then we have the pile that I'm taking to just get altered. And then we also found like 2 pieces of clothing that just wasn't in the right spot. So we're gonna bag all of this up now. All right, it is the next day. We finished the closet. It looks really, really good so far. So now we're about to do the dresser drawers. There's so many things in there that I just need to get rid of. So I should really have like a really good donation pile or trash pile to just kind of get rid of stuff. So we're only gonna go through my side of the drawers because Dante's gonna do his side later. But not only are we gonna go through these drawers, I do have another set of drawers in the guest room that I like store all of my items in. So yeah, we're gonna go through those drawers as well too. So it's gonna be a good bit of stuff. Honestly, I'm just gonna go drawer by drawer and just get everything together and organize it. This is what all the drawers kind of look like so far. They're very messy, a bunch of stuff, a bunch of clutter. I'm gonna go through, get rid of stuff, file fold my clothes, and just get it all organized and together. I'm already feeling better with the closet. I went through like all my bags, like every single piece of like clothing, just everything in there. Like, I feel so good. I feel lighter. So let's go ahead and get into these drawers, child. Okay, now we're in the guest room. So really the main 4 drawers I'm gonna empty out, and this is kind of like where I need to get rid of like a lot of stuff. I pretty much have a lot of things kind of like packed to the brim of like the drawer. So we're gonna get rid of a lot of these things. A lot of things are either like just damaged or I've had since high school that like I'm holding on to. So I'm gonna try my best to emotionally get rid of some of these things. I like am a sucker for like t-shirts. Y'all can't tell me when you go to like a sporting event or like, I don't know, just kind of like somewhere and they're giving out free t-shirts, you can't tell me you ain't getting one of these, okay? So that's kind of like my issue. I have a lot of like t-shirts like this, like just like randomness going on in the like drawer. So I just need to get rid of like a lot of those like random t-shirts that like I'm just not gonna wear all of them for real. So this is kind of like for me the hardest thing, because I love me a good t-shirt. I love me a good t-shirt. So I'm gonna bag up all these clothes, but that is pretty much the end of the video. As you guys can see, everything turned out so good. I feel way more lighter now. The fact that I got rid of so many articles of clothing, whether it's me donating it or trashing it, like I just feel so much better. So I'm gonna end this video right here. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.